I hope you're ready to have glitter all over your house. Because one thing we know about holiday crafts is that they're covered in glitter, and everything you buy for the holidays is like you walk into the store, everything's covered in glitter, the floor is covered in glitter.
You come out covered in glitter.
Covered in glitter, even if you didn't touch any glitter. So like, let's just embrace it and get covered in glitter.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. So, in order to do that, we're going to take a $1 Jingle Bell ornament.
Already not bad. $1 just for that.
From the dollar store. We got a packet of smaller Jingle Bells.
Which I like ringing.
Also from the dollar store.
Good sound for $1.
Except these.
Oh,
One thing to, I guess, be prepared for at the dollar store is...
well...
Does this mean I don't believe in Santa Claus? Is that what that means when you can't hear the...
I don't know.
Oh, man.
Does that mean I believe?
I guess so.
Here.
I'm probably getting... Okay, I hear it now.
Okay.
I was worried I wasn't going to get anything for Christmas, but...
Well, I guess we'll see.
So, a packet of smaller Jingle Bells from the dollar store.
Hopefully yours ring.
Mod Podge, a paintbrush, and silver glitter. Now we're using silver glitter because we got a silver ornament and I want them to match. You can get any kind of ornament, any color ornament, and use any color glitter you want. But I want them to match. So the simple thing about making a hidden Mickey is basically all you need is one big circle and two smaller circles.
Wait, it's that easy?
It's that easy.
Whoa.
So step one is to take your smaller Jingle Bells and you're going to coat them in Mod Podge and then dip them in glitter.
Okay, that seems pretty simple so far.
Just a paintbrush. I'm going to coat just one half of it right now.
Why one half?
Well, because like while I'm holding it.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, like so like one side's dry while I'm holding it, and then you coat one side wet and then just dip it in the glitter. Give it a little spin around the glitter pot. Shake it off.
Look at that.
And so what Mod Podge does is it just makes all the glitter stick to it. And yeah, so Mod Podge is like a clear,
Yeah.
it's a clear drying glue. So it works really well for glitter. Yeah. So I already did one because I wanted to give them time to dry. So mine are already done, but do that to each side. So while you're holding the dry side, coat a wet side, dip it, set that one down, let it dry, go to the other one, coat one side, you know, you get the idea. And so once each side dries, you can then hold on to that side, coat the other side wet, and dip it in the glitter.
How long would you think it takes to dry?
It really only takes maybe 2 minutes. Like this one that I already did, I can already touch it and the glue doesn't come off. Like, the glitter comes off because, well, it's glitter, but the glue doesn't come off, so it's already starting to dry.
That's great. Cool.
Yeah, and be prepared. Like, I did this over a paper plate so that I could shake out because some glitter is going to get inside the Jingle Bell. And so you want to try to shake out as much as you can before you put it on your door, and then it just like starts going everywhere. And another thing that you can do is actually take, once the initial coat is dry, you can take the Mod Podge and go over the glitter again.
Okay.
And this kind of seals the glitter in there. So you're going to have less glitter just falling on the floor off of this ornament. So it creates a seal and it dries clear. So you still see the glitter, you still see the color. Like, see, I already did that side. So that side is already sealed.
It looks amazing.
So, yeah. And that just kind of helps, you know, from having so much glitter fall everywhere. So the next step is going to be to create our Mickey shape, which is easy.
Okay.
So I'm going to draw some circles on here where I want Mickey placed, right?
And then I get to help.
So obviously you want one smaller jingle bell on each side of the larger jingle bell, about like halfway up here from the middle to the top of the ornament. Just draw a circle like halfway up there.
Okay, and
then on opposite sides of the bell. So yeah, you're gonna take these.
Okay.
And then glue it
to the circles.
Yeah, like that, to the circles.
Okay, and with the hot glue gun, right?
With the hot glue gun, yes.
Okay, I can do that.
So take the side that has the hole in it that you would like tie a string and glue that side so that the beautiful snowflake is facing outside.
Good call, good tip.
Yeah.
Okay, I can do that. Put my dollop of hot glue. Glue on a little piece and then down. Oh, look how quick that is coming out together.
That's very cute.
Right?
Hot glue strings.
And we're still at what? $2?
Yeah, for this
$2 and change with the glue stick?
Because the package of little ones was $1 and the big one was $1. So that's a $2 little cute thing.
Okay.
So I want to do one more thing to this.
Got my glue strings, take those off. But yeah, it's already sticking together as you can see.
Yeah, and it's already super cute. I'll show you.
Get that close up.
It's already super cute, but what I want to do is I want to change out this silver ribbon that's on there for a red ribbon.
Okay.
Just because I want to. So you don't feel, that bad about customizing anything, taking anything off, or adding anything when in the end of it, you've only spent $2 to $3. So yeah, I just like that little red ribbon adding a little pop of color. And yeah, love it. Yeah, sure.
I'm coming close. We got. It still jingles. How about that?
So we're gonna hang it on our door, but you could also just hang it on your tree. Probably too heavy for this tree.
It's almost as big as the tree.
Hang it on this tree and it might fall over.
The whole tree.
But hang it on like your full-size Christmas tree. Hang it anywhere you want. Let's see what it sounds like. It's not very jingly. Oh well. Okay, so it's still very cute.
And there you have it.
A hidden Mickey Jingle Bell door hanger. Because I want a little more contrast. Oh no. Your ear fell off.